Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am participating in a collaboration, and this is being hosted by Susan of the Graceful Lily Market, and her co-host is Antonette of Decorating Ant's Place. And I will have these ladies' information and channels linked in my description box, as well as the playlist. So be sure, if you're not connected with these ladies, that you do so. And please check out the playlist and watch the video of the other participants. And this is a coastal or beach themed tablescape or decor collaboration. And so I'm presenting a tablescape for two. This is just a little simple tablescape that I put together. And I'm just using my console table on my sideboard today because I'm still in the midst of unpacking, guys. So I have my blue placemats, and I have some floral ones on top of those that I actually made. And I want to bring in some of those coastal elements with the seashell, using those on top of my napkin rings, as well as some seashells around my florals here. And I'm including a little blue with the wine glasses and the painting in the back that my grandson and I DIY'd. And if you enjoy my tablescape, be sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you be a part of the Pretty Things family. I want to thank you all for watching my video today. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see some of you wonderful guys and friends in my next video.